What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are not on the motorcycle today. We are in the truck. We about to slide down to the city real quick. Maybe find some wheels for the vet. Who knows? I think I do know. I think that's what we're gonna do, but we'll see. Also got to drop these back off the back house, and then we're supposed to be picking up a bike tomorrow, man. So let's see. Alrighty, man. I was gonna take the truck, but the way the homie truck set up is like, freaking all I gotta do is have him go with me to check out the wheels, and he can throw the wheels right in his truck because we coming out here anyway to go pick up a bike. So that'll just work that much better. But dang, it's freezing up in this joint, dog. It's cold as heck. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. It's finally time to go pick up the blue bike. Not even pick it up, but pretty much drop the wheel off, the CVO wheel, because we're gonna throw that on the blue bike, as well as we should be picking it up today, man. So let's hop in the whip and get to BBV this morning before they open. I don't want them to, mistakenly put that old wheel on there, just because I know this wheel is gonna help it sell. Thanks to everybody for helping me reach 25,000 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. So thanks for that, and man, let's get to it. Yes, sir. I'm gonna throw this bad boy on there. The one that's on there, I believe, is like a 16 or maybe even a 17. But this one is a 19, so it'll look that much better, and it's chrome. So it'll look real good. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. Loaded him up as much as I want to take the vet. That's what we got a work truck for. Alrighty, guys, so we made it to BBV. However, you guys see it's like 7 holes on this wheel, so it needs a 7-bolt rotor. And the rotors that we just ordered, they're not gonna fit on here. They're for like a regular stock wheel. The CVOs, they have their own setup. So in order for these to work, we would have to get rotors specifically made for like this wheel, which is not hard, but it's just like, you don't want to do all that when the wheels don't match. Otherwise, I would have did it. But it is what it is, man. We'll probably just have to save this one for the next one, or try to throw it up online and sell, dog. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular auto auction update, man. Got a few cars on a list here today. It's been a couple days, man, but we've been trying to get it right. Been trying to get the bike right, been trying to get everything going, man. So without further ado, let's check out some of these whips that we may be interested in, man, because bike season is just about over. So we're trying to figure out our next couple of whips, man, because it's starting to get cold. So not a lot of people are going to be riding, man. So let's just find something a little bit more friendly, shall we? All right, so we don't want the 03 Jetta with a rebuilt title. We don't want the 95 Corolla. We do have a 13 Chevy Impala with 94,000 miles. This is probably going to be the best one here. Pretty nice looking car. It is dusty. Of course, we're in nothing but dirt, but no big deal there. Could look really good once you clean it all up. If we take a quick look at the inside, it does have some nice black leather interior, which is a plus. The mileage is really low, so the interior actually matches the mileage. It looks really good. Mileage is fairly low. It used to have a wing right here on the trunk, so get that wing replaced, get this rear bumper re-glossed up, and this thing will look like a brand new car. So this will probably be something we keep our eye on here tomorrow, man. I was gonna cop some new rims for the vet, but I'd rather have another car. So rather have something that's gonna make me money rather than make me no money at all. So we'll see. We got a 01 Honda Civic, 208,000 miles. You guys know these Hondas sell pretty easily. If we take a look under the hood, it's pretty whooped in certain spots, but all in all, I mean, it is a 01, so I wouldn't expect it to be too clean. But 200,000 miles. We can take a quick look at the inside. Does look really good in here. Has some nice leather interior. You guys know I've never seen leather interior on one of these Honda Civics, so this tells me this should be, if not at near the top of the line model of this year. But that's That's just me speaking out loud, man. What do you guys think about the Honda, though? Let me know in the comments below. We may be able to get this one really cheap, so we'll keep this one on our list, even though it is a little bit older and the mileage is a little bit high, but it is what it is. We don't want the 06 Cadillac STS with a bashed in front end held up by like freaking toe straps. 110,000 miles. The mileage on this is pretty good. I'm actually really good though. We got a 03 Jeep Liberty here, 143,000 miles. Seems like it could be a pretty fair ride. The mileage isn't that bad. It's pretty much right at where it's supposed to be. However, we can take a quick look at the inside. Cloth seats should be shampooed, make it look really neat. But other than that, everything is intact and everything is here, so that's a plus. And this truck came from Chicago, so maybe a pretty decent running truck, man. And we'll see what happens when this one comes through the auction, because this one actually looks pretty nice too. Okay, so scratch that Impala as being one of the nicest cars today. We got a 15 Hyundai Sonata with 70,000 miles. Definitely look like they was drag racing or something. They got some tequila kickage up front on that side, and then literally the same thing on that side. So I don't know if they tried to like go in something that was like tighter or what, but 71,000 miles on this thing. Pretty clean little car. We can take a quick look at the inside. Kind of smells different. I don't know, it's kind of smell like Captain Crunch in here, but other than that, everything is pretty much intact, to say the least. 71K on the dash. It is the Sport Edition. However, you do got some damage right here to the backlight. So I don't know, keep an eye on that. Got a few scratches on the side there. I don't know if they was running or whatever the case may be, but gonna need a little bit of fixing. But all in all, it's a really good car. What do you guys think, man? Let me know in the comments below. I'm actually good on the 07 BMW 328 with 174,000 miles. I'm actually good on it. We got a 2015 though, Hyundai Tucson, 121,000 miles. This will be more ideal out of the whole pack here today. Pretty good looking car. We do got like a damaged headlight there, no big deal. Tires could get replaced. 121,000 miles. The mileage is pretty good. I mean, it's just a regular driving car. It's nothing too crazy. Got some tequila kicks here and there, and like all around the car. But we take a quick look at the inside, man. This thing is pretty whooped. They didn't take care of this car at all. It's just stuff like little mirrors and stuff just broken. But I mean, all in all, it's put together. But you know, it is what it is. But we may even be able to score this. This will be more ideal. This will be what I want to score, but you know, we'll see, man. We'll see what y'all think about it though. Let me know in the comments below. Man, they got some pretty decent little whips here today, man. They got a 04 Mercedes E320, 67,000 miles on it. You guys know this auction is gonna be pretty crowded. They got a good lineup here today. Really nice paint job on this Mercedes right here. For it to be a 04. Looks really, really good all around. Underneath the engine, well, underneath the hood, looks really good. Like I said, the paint looks really good. We do have some airbags that's making this car squat a little bit, but I know once you start it up, that thing raises up. So if we take a look at the inside, it does look really good. The leather is like fresh black. No problems, no scratches, no rips or nothing at all. So whoever had this car, they took like really, really good care of it, because man, this thing is so clean. 67,000 miles. The inside and the outside reflects that. They might have had it stored like underground or something. Wherever they had it stored, they did a good job, because it looks really, really clean. 67,000 miles, 04. Everything is clean and A1. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, we don't want the 99 Ford Explorer. We got a Subaru here, 250,000 miles. Now I know I should pass this right on up, but somebody told me Subarus are worth some money, so we'll check it out with you really quick. A 01 Subaru Outback. We got some leather interior. I mean, pretty standard. And you got the double sunroof. Subaru, I mean, you know, you go off-road, all-wheel drive. Pretty cool little car to get you around, I suppose. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below, dog. It's like we got a 2010 Ford Explorer here, 181,000 miles. This car is a pretty clean car. It just came from Texas. So I would say it's a pretty decent driving car. We take a look at the inside. It does look a lot different than the other Explorers we have seen. It's definitely one of the cleaner ones. Has the third row sunroof. So that tells me this is the top of the line inside, and everything looks all intact. It was basically a highway car from what I'm seeing, because they put a lot of miles on it, and with a lot of miles comes like a lot of wear and tear, which I don't really see. But seems like a pretty fair ride. What you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 13 Chrysler 200, 156,000 miles. Probably wouldn't be my first choice. But we can take a quick look underneath. It looks like head gaskets on this thing is blown. Not sure, but it's got a lot of like it looks like overflow or something like that. I don't know, like a bust, but I'm actually good on that one, man. I'm gonna just keep it moving. I don't want the rebuilt Title PT Cruiser, and I don't want the Saturn SL1, even though we might be able to get it cheap here today. Good on the Lexus ES300. Starts and drive, you're gonna have to pull that out, which I don't even want to get into. But bad transmission. GS300, 270,000 miles. Wow, that thing's got a ton of miles on it. Let's see if the inside just looks as bad as look like as high as the miles. Yeah, you ain't lied, boy. I don't want no parts. How many generations was in that? I'm good. They got a nice little Durango here. Don't want it. Chevy Suburban, 258,000 miles. Pretty cool looking truck. They got a couple cool cars here that we're not gonna get into, but we got into the best of the best. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We went up to BBV to try to get the CVO wheel on that blue bike, but it's just not going to work because we have 7 bolts on that wheel, and the CVO wheel requires a special rotor just for that wheel to fit. So we're just going to go use the regular rotors we just bought, and then throw the stock wheel back on there and call it a day. So that should be ready. I thought it was going to be ready today, but they said the rotor should be in tomorrow. So we'll just be waiting for that. As for this auction, we'll see what we can score, man. Hopefully we can score something. We haven't won nothing at the public auction in a while, man. So hopefully we can score something. It's getting towards the end of the year. Funds are slimming down, so we may be able to score, man. But with that being said, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.